If you are planning for a vacation, but do you have a lot of plans like I have? You were worried about that. When you are not home, who will give water to your plants? Hello everybody, I am 14 years old young gardener, and in today's video we are going to making this self-watering plant system in a very easy steps. And the good thing about this system is that I am nothing going to be invest in this project, and it is very easy to make. So yeah, let's get started.
Things required for this project, guys, are a plant pot, bowl. Instead of this, you can use plastic bowl also like this, a pair of scissors, a glass of water, and jute rope. You can use this cotton rope also, guys. Now, here I have taken this glass of water. Fill this water into this bowl. Now here I have taken cotton rope. I have put it the first end into the water and another end I have inserted in the soil. Now here is the final look. With this process, guys, the water will directly goes into the roots, and this is a very helpful for our plant. Now things required for a next project is this pot, some stones, jute rope, and an empty glass. Make sure the pot that you are choosing should be half fitted into the glass. You can see in the video. Now here I am filling water into the glass. Make sure, guys, the water that you are filling should not touch to the pot. Now here I am inserting the jute rope into the water. Then another end I am going to be inserting into the soil. By this process the water will go drop by drop directly into the roots, and when you will see that water is empty, so yeah, you can fill it again. Now here I am taking the stone. This is the option, guys. I am adding the stones into the bottom of the glass. It is a decoration part. You can skip this process also. Now remaining stones I am adding on the top of the pot. Guys, our second project is ready, and it is ready in just a few minutes. Even if you are a child, so yeah, you can make easily without any kind of help.
I hope guys you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. And yeah, press the bell icon for more notifications of my latest video. Give suggestion about gardening, or you can give me a tips about gardening in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Happy